Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a parcel or a box from a company called EVORETRO. Obviously you're on this channel, so this has to be something related to Matchbox, Hot Wheels or other small cars. There's no cars in this box, but there's definitely something related to it, and I'm going to show you in a few seconds. So let's open up the box and see what's in there. Yeah, anytime you are using box cutters, be safe. So we open up our box, some paper, save it, and you can see this is the box. Let's take it out. Interesting box. Reads 50 clear plastic protectors from the brand EVORETRO. So now you know what's in there. So these are plastic protectors for your diecast cars. If you are something like me who doesn't keep their castings guarded, this is actually really good, and I'm going to show you how you use those. Actually, I'm going to figure it out with you guys. So if you read here, it says compatible with Hot Wheels regular size diecast protector. I've been meaning to get this for a long time, and they actually reached out to me. So let's take one out and see how does the Hot Wheels fit in it. So I just took one of them out, and there's my R8. It's been just sitting on my shelf, and I don't think it's really hard to figure it out. You can just, it's flat, if you just push it. So it becomes like if you ever have used cardboard boxes, the basic idea is same. It's still of cardboard, it's clear. So let's just fix it. Maybe you do this and prepare one of your box. I'm doing it for you guys. Haven't tried anything off screen. And maybe pre-fold it and do this. Right. So now your casting can just go into it. And I think it's big enough to fit most of the 1:64 castings. I think. I will have to check with other ones, but Hot Wheels and Matchbox for sure. And I'm having a hard time doing this through the camera. So let me see. Gloves don't help either. So there you go. So you can put your casting safely, and you can see even with this there's enough space so you can have the trucks and I think bigger castings from Hot Wheels or Matchbox. I'm sure most of the 1:64 castings from Greenlight and Tomica, they will also fit. Only the bigger trucks, if you go with 1:64 trucks, they might not fit in this box, but most of the other castings are going to fix in it. And it actually looks good. It's a clear box, clear base, so you can just put it on your shelf, your table, or if you just want to display it, you don't need to have a whole display case built up. You can just use this and we'll keep it safe. I actually like this, and there's around 50 of these, so some of my Hot Wheels will be covered now. Well, it looks like a nice product. I will leave a link in the comment section for them or their website. It's not an affiliated link, so I don't get anything out of it. It's just their website. I've checked it out. I like the product, so I will just leave a link there. You guys can go out and check. They have a lot of different stuff, not just for Hot Wheels and diecast, but for other collectibles too, like how you collect action figures, Pokemon cards. Have all that. Yeah, do check them out and see their product. They're in Canada, so I'm not sure if they ship to other places, but in Canada you can get this. Well, I think you will like it. So those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.